Hey, what's up? Just look at what this camera can do. It has 355 degrees horizontal viewing angle and 104 vertical rotation angle. This is panoramic Wi-Fi camera with night vision, two-way audio, smart detection and other features. To be honest, I thought this camera was from Xiaomi or one of its sub-brands, but it is not. Later you will understand why this is so. So let's do unboxing and full review of Xiaovv V380 Pro Wi-Fi Smart IP camera in this video. We can see the main features of the new Wi-Fi camera on the box, such as IR card, TF storage, wireless connection, pan tilt, iPhone support, two-way intercom, Android support, and smart cloud storage. By the way, you can connect the camera to iPhone, Android, iPad, and even computer. The last option is very interesting. I haven't connected IP cameras to the computer yet. There is also a specifications list on the box. As you can see, there is no mention of Xiaomi or even the Xiaovv V brand. The real name of this camera is the V380 Q6 Pro, but not Xiaovv V. Inside the box, you can find the camera itself, power adapter, charging cable, user manual, mounting base and screw pack. The next reason why I think this camera is not from Xiaomi is because it is made of cheap plastic. It doesn't feel like other Xiaomi products. However, it looks very similar in appearance. The camera has a black front and white back. The stand is also white. On the right side of the camera is a speaker. Reset button and memory card slot is on the bottom of the camera. The new Wi-Fi camera is powered by micro USB port, which is located on the back of the stand. The Xiaovv V380 Pro camera has this interesting design because two-way PTZ mechanism. It can rotate right, left, up and down. By the way, using a mounting base from the package, you can install the camera on the ceiling or a wall. There is an option in the settings to invert the camera image. You know, this is a very budget Wi-Fi camera, so it has similar functions to other IP cameras. The main features of Xiaovv V380 Pro camera is two-way PTZ. The horizontal rotation angle is 355 degrees and vertical rotation angle is 104 degrees. The next feature is HD lens. Later we will check the video quality from this camera. It also has two-way audio, smart detection, multi-user sharing, multi-device view, and multiple storage options, such as memory card, cloud storage, and NVR of reciprocal storage. Most likely you will be using the camera with your smartphone, so you can watch live video from the camera when you are not at home. So let's connect it to iPhone. The connection to Android device is the same. First, you need to download and install V380 Pro app on your phone. After that, open the app and create a new account. You can also try to log in without account. Now click on plus icon to add a new device. Select the first option, Wi-Fi Smart Camera, and then Hotspot connection. Now enter password from your Wi-Fi network and click Confirm. The next step is to go to Wi-Fi settings on your phone and connect to VM plus ID network. In my case, the network looks like this. Wait a little and the camera will be connected. V380 Pro application has some useful functions. First, you can rotate the camera using swipes on the screen or joystick. Also, I recommend you to choose HD video resolution. By the way, you can connect up to 4 cameras to the app and watch the live videos from them using a grid. There is a buttons to take a snapshot, record video, speak, replay, inversion and reset PTZ. In the settings menu, you can enable alarm and set up video recording. For example, continuous recording, event recording, record audio, HD and SD video quality. As I said before, the camera has night vision. It is equipped with 4 IR sensors. I already shot video during the day and at night. Let's watch them. So you know Xiaomi Q6 Pro is a very budget Wi-Fi epic camera. The price is only $16. I thought this camera is from Xiaomi or it's a brand, but it is not. However, it has two-way PTZ design, which allows to rotate camera 355 degrees horizontally and 140 degrees vertically. There are some useful functions available, such as two-way audio and smart detection. The most important is a good video quality. You can monitor your apartment or office day and night. What about you? Do you like this camera? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow on our channel Tech Brothers.